the sun rises over the emerald plains of Bangladesh, a village awakens, quietly, gently, with the rhythm of nature. From above, the landscape unfolds like a tapestry. Lush green rice fields stretching to the horizon, narrow dirt paths weaving between them like lifelines. Thatched huts and tin-roofed homes dot the land, their courtyards echoing with the laughter of children and the songs of morning birds. The village pond mirrors the sky, a place where buffalo bathe, women wash clothes, and stories are shared. Life moves at a different pace here, steady, humble, rooted in the earth. A farmer tends to his crops, a fisherman casts his net, and time seems to pause with every passing breeze. This is rural Bangladesh, timeless, enduring, and full of quiet beauty. Seen from above, it is not just a village, it is a living poem, a reminder that